Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to repoint your business objects reports to a new universe in BusinessObjects XI. Okay, first of all we're going to bring up our business objects report, and you can see if I hit refresh on this remedy queue list, I'm getting an error, and I'm currently on query 1 and it's ITSM scorecards test v2, that's the universe name there. You see that there's a database error because we're on a test database that's no longer active. So I want to repoint this report to live. So I'm just going to close the error message. I'm going to go to edit query. And if you've got multiple queries, you'll see query 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Normally you come into the edit query and you're on the data tab, so you can play about with your data and put your query filters in. As you can see there, I switched between data and the properties tab for that query. And not only can you rename the query at this point, but you can also see that the universe there is on ITSM scorecards test v2. In 6.5 you used to get a short name. In XI it's now a long description. Again, you get the buttons that you do in 6.5 with the three little dots. If you press that, it brings up a list of available universes. So you see this is a currently used universe. And what I want to do is I want to repoint at this ITSM scorecard, which is the live version of that test universe. As you can see, the description there says it's CP faults live. It's version 4. I'm going to hit OK, and this brings you back a list of all your objects that are in your query. If you've got multiple queries, it'll show you those as well. If you've got query 2, 3 and 4, it'll show you all those as well. And these green ticks tell me that this object exists in my current report and it exists in the universe that I'm going to. If you've got any red X's here, that's because objects have been dropped off or have been lost between the two versions. You can choose not to import that object and it will remove that from your report. In some instances that will break your report, so that's bad news. What could have happened is they could have just changed it. So they could have changed name here to manager. So if you know that, you can click the button, you can go and browse for the object that it should come up, that you know it's been renamed to. You'll probably have to go to the person that's created the universe to tell you that. Basically, you select the new one. So for this one, I could go to C name, for example, if that was the new field. Hit OK, and again, just click OK, and that'll automatically update your report. You can see C name there. And if we hit run query, there we go. We can see we're getting data through and it's pulled through C name instead of name. So that's it. Any problems, you can refer back to us at VM Business Objects at virginmedia.co.uk, or contact the project team if this is part of a project. Thanks for watching.